All right, big news in Apple universe. They're releasing all kinds of new products quietly on their website without the need for a big event. Granted, none of these products are huge changes. You had the new iMacs the other day. There were some new iPads in the form of the new iPad mini, new iPad Air. And then today, they come out with some brand new AirPods, which were rumored. I talked about. I felt the need to make this video, in fact, because I did a video, a comparison of the previous version, the original AirPods, up against the new Samsung Galaxy Buds. And in that video, I kind of hinted at the fact that Apple was likely to refresh the AirPods soon. And now they've done it, like a couple days after my video. So I kind of need to update you. They've changed some things. The new product's a bit more competitive, and it actually implements a feature that the Galaxy Buds have. Probably the biggest difference from the new ones to the old ones is the fact that the new ones now can charge wirelessly via a wireless charging case. Now, you can still purchase the new version of AirPods without that case for a cheaper price. So you are paying a premium for the wireless charge case, putting the difference between the Galaxy Buds from Samsung and the AirPods price-wise even further apart. So the wireless case version of the AirPods 2 will be $200 US, and then the original charge case with the new AirPods, the type that you have to plug in via the proprietary lightning cable, those will be the same price as the old AirPods at $159. They'll just replace that old product. Now, on top of that, if you just want to upgrade the case on your current AirPods to the wireless case, you can purchase that for $79. So these are some pretty hefty price tags for these types of products. Of course, it's a $40 premium just to get the wireless charging. It would have been nice to see Apple give you wireless charging at the same price point as the original AirPods and just get rid of the charge case that doesn't support wireless charging. So the other difference is here, you have a new chip. They're calling it the H1 chip, a new brain inside of the AirPods, which is going to improve the performance of the AirPods in various ways. It's going to allow them to connect more quickly to your devices. It's going to allow them to switch between devices more quickly. It'll let you answer phone calls more quickly, and it will extend the battery life on talk time. It's just a more efficient, more advanced chip. The other thing it's going to be able to do is allow you to launch Siri just via voice by saying, "Hey Siri." Now, the other weird piece about this announcement is the fact that Apple still doesn't make a wireless charger of their own. Of course, there's been this rumor around this AirPower product, which it does seem like Apple is going to make. They've had this charge pad floating around. They even had it on their website at one point that supposedly can charge an iPhone, your AirPods, and an Apple Watch all in one device. Now, granted, these devices all support the wireless Qi standard, so you could drop them onto a third-party wireless charger. You could even charge these new AirPods on a Samsung or Google charger if you want to just rub it in a little bit more. But anyhow, in the meantime, we're waiting for an official Apple solution for wireless charging on all these new wireless charge capable devices. The other difference on the new AirPods, particularly on the wireless charge cases, there's now an LED on the front in order to tell you that you're actively charging when you are on a wireless charge pad. Now, we don't know anything about the sound yet, whether that will change at all. I highly doubt it. They look, as far as the earbud is concerned, very similar, if not identical to the previous version. So I expect them to sound the same as well. But I put in an order. I've got the retail version on the way, so I'll update accordingly as I find out more. I know a lot of people out there were expecting a bigger change here. They wanted something more substantial or significant. There was talk of black AirPods, which I know got a lot of people excited. They didn't want the typical white look. They wanted something more stealth. There were renders floating around. So no black AirPods as of right now. No product red AirPods as of right now. They look identical. You just get the new chip, the wireless charge case, and some performance improvements with a price tag to match. I still think they're a bit expensive for what they are compared to the competitors on the market. As I mentioned in the Galaxy Buds video, those were delivering wireless charging in a fully wireless earbud device for $129. Now the AirPods with the wireless charge case are at $200, almost double the price. But hey, that's what Apple does. You pay a premium for the convenience. As far as upgrading, if you're a Gen 1 user of AirPods, like if you just recently spent 160 bucks on AirPods version 1, I don't think there's really any reason here to rush out and get the new pair. You can get the wireless charge case if you really want it. In fact, you could also get the wireless charge case adapter that I showcased from a third-party company. What was the name of that, Will? East Brooklyn Labs. It's like a rubber case that you put on the outside of the current AirPods charging case, and that gives it wireless charging. It's a lot cheaper than 80 bucks. I think it's like 30 bucks or something. To go out and spend a fresh 200 when, for all intents and purposes, the functionality is going to be pretty similar beyond a slim improvement in wireless charging, it's not really enough from my perspective. That said, the original product was super convenient, as I said in the Galaxy Buds versus AirPods video. So maybe it's one of those situations where you shouldn't change too much when you have a wildly popular product to begin with. If you want them, you can buy them, though the shipping dates are already starting to slip. It's crazy how popular these things are. People are already buying them. I saw the report on Mac Rumors. They're saying that the ship dates already slipping on the AirPods. People are savages. They're out there. They love their Apple products. You can't deny it. For better, for worse, AirPods for sale, version 2. People are buying them.